Hello everyone, today's video is on Module 6, Modern Technologies and Microlearning. So today we are exploring how modern technology aligns perfectly with the principles of microlearning. This approach is characterized by its effective delivery of small and digestible chunks of information. As we move forward, we are going to dive into what makes microlearning so powerful and versatile. I'm going to see how it can be tailored to various needs and settings. Today, what are we going to be covering today? We'll start by defining microlearning, explore its key features, and later on discuss its instructional benefits. Next, we'll look at how modern technologies are intertwined with microlearning, with a spotlight on Duolingo as a practical example. And we'll wrap all of this up with some references for further exploration. What now is microlearning? Microlearning is a fascinating approach to education that is gaining tractions in various fields. Imagine learning in bite-sized pieces of 2 to 3 or 2 to 5 minute lessons on just one topic or skill. This technique is not just limited to classrooms, it is revolutionizing corporate training, enhancing customer service tutorials, and even facilitating everyday learning experiences. The beauty of microlearning lies in its efficiency. By focusing on small, manageable chunks, it helps learners to retain information and better apply it effectively in their daily tasks. Think about the flexibility microlearning offers. Learning becomes more adaptable to individual needs and schedules, making it an empowering tool for personal and professional growth. Now, let us explore how this works in practice with some key features up next. Now that we've understood what microlearning is, some of its key features are that firstly, brevity is crucial. Modules generally last from just 30 seconds to 10 minutes, allowing for a quick and efficient learning session. Secondly, each module is designed with a single focused objective. This means every unit is dedicated to teaching or practicing just one skill or concepts, making it easier for learners to retain the information. Next, we have the just-in-time availability feature, is which is a game changer. Learners can access these units exactly when they need them, providing immediate support and reinforcement. Microlearning also embraces multimodal formats. This includes short videos, quizzes, and other flashcards to cater to different learning preferences, making the process more engaging and effective. Finally, it is self-paced and repeatable. Learners have the freedom to replay or reattempt units until they achieve mastery, fostering a personalized learning experience. These features make microlearning a versatile and powerful tool for both educators and learners. Next, I'm going to explore how modern technologies further enhance microlearning. First, we have as benefits of microlearning, we have improved retention first. We all learn in different ways. That is, some of us learn best through touch, others through visual representation, such as diagrams, others through listening, and some of us through self-learning. So one thing that we can all suffer from through, though if learning takes place over a long period of time, is that we can get bored quite easily. In fact, a report by the University of Illinois found that we get distracted and lose focus after just 15 minutes. So microlearning enables us to learn in small chunks, and this means we can focus on the learning. Second point, flexibility and accessibility. A massive benefit for a lot of people with microlearning is the flexibility in terms of where you can access the training. Microlearning really makes learning and development something that is far more accessible to more of us worldwide, and learning a language such as maybe Italian or French, for example, is now so much easier no matter where you live or what your budget is. In terms of accessibility, it also removes the barrier for some people regards trying to gain physical access to buildings, classrooms, and other learning locations. So as long as you have a smartphone, you can take you can literally take learning with you as you travel on a bus or a train, accessing the learning apps from anywhere, even as you travel. Time efficient, that is the third benefit of micro learning. This style of learning is also ideal for even the busiest of professionals because the learning can be fitted into time gaps and the learning can be consumed quickly. The fourth point is high engagement, more interactive and fun. An important aspect of microlearning is also the interactive elements that help keep learners more focused than they otherwise might be. There is often an element of gamification, for example, more on the gamification that is built into the learning with microlearning. The fifth benefit is personalized learning. Another incredible powerful aspect of microlearning is the ability for the content to be tailored to individual and specific learning needs, meaning the contents are tailored more to the learner's likings. Next, how the model technologies enable microlearning. First, cloud platforms play a crucial role. They store and globally serve bite-sized units, allowing instructors to update content instantly and gather analytics. This helps in tracking progress and refining content effectively. Next, let us consider mobile devices. They make micro units accessible from virtually anywhere, perfect for just-in-time learning, whether you are on a break or working in the field. Mobile notifications and offline caching are particularly beneficial in areas with low connectivity. Yes. Lastly, interactive technologies transform these micro units from passive to active learning experiences. Using tools like polls, adaptive quizzes, or platforms like maybe Peer Deck, learners can actively engage and receive immediate feedback, enhancing their learning journey. So combining these technologies, that is cloud platforms and mobile apps, enables the seamless integration and orchestration of micro units. This allows designers to create spaced practice schedules that truly support mastery learning. Now for a real-time example of micro-learning, we have Duolingo. Duolingo is a micro-learning approach. It's a great illustration of how effective these techniques can be. Each lesson on this app is intentionally short, focusing on just one skill at a time, like mastering verb, conjugation, or expanding your vocabulary. This bite-sized format makes it easy to fit learning into our busy lives. As you walk through lessons, you are practicing step by step with various activities, from translating sentences to matching words, or even listening and repeating phrases. And the best part is that Duolingo provides immediate feedback. If you make a mistake, it corrects you instantly and often explains why, turning mistakes into learning opportunities. Another engaging aspect is the gamification. You earn points in Duolingo, maintain streaks, and you unlock levels, making daily practice not just as a task, but something you look forward to. And thanks to spaced repetition, words and grammar rules come back around, reinforcing what you've learned so it sticks with you. Plus, with its mobile-friendly design, you can study on the go. It is perfect for a quick German lesson or a French lesson while you are watching or while you are waiting for your coffee, for example. So Duolingo embodies microlearning strengths, making language learning accessible, engaging, and efficient. It is a testament to how technology can transform education into a seamless part of our daily routines. Now, this video demonstrates exactly how Duolingo uses microlearning to teach German. We're going to use German in short, focused lessons. In the clip, learners practice how to place another, which is a very, very practical life situation. The lesson is broken into small steps. First, introducing key vocabulary, then guiding learners through short translation exercises, and finally reinforcing the phrases with repetition. So Duolingo's design reflects the principle of microlearning, brevity of with the firstly the brevity of each lesson that only lasts for a few minutes. Um, Single objective here, the goal is to learn um, how to order foods and drinks politely. Interactive practice, learners respond to prompts and receive immediate feedback. Next characteristic, we have gamification, as points and progress tracking keep learners motivated. By presenting German as it is in bite-sized, mobile-friendly segments, Duolingo makes language learning accessible and engaging. So this approach is especially effective for learners with limited time or maybe inconsistent internet access, since lessons can be completed quickly and repeated as needed. Some lessons can also be done offline. So this is the end of our video, and these are some of my references. I thank all of you for staying to the end. I hope that this video helped you understand what microlearning is and how modern technologies contribute in its facilitation. See you all next time.